Welcome to today's headlines. IPOB begs Buhari, ask him to release Kanu because of these three dead men. IPOB begs Buhari, ask him to release Kanu because of these three dead men. To my dear listeners, from wherever you're listening from, please stay tuned as I read today's news. The indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB on Saturday urged President Muhammadu Buhari to release its detained leader Kanu in honor of three dead Southeast leaders. The three leaders include the President General of the Apex, Igbo Socio-Cultural Organization, Ohaneze Ndigbo, Prof. George Obiozor, its Deputy President Dr. Joel Kroham, and former Minister of Aviation, Chief Mbazulike Amechi. Kroham died on August 30, 2022, while Obiozor and Amechi passed away on November 1st and December 26th of the same year. Amechi, a former minister, was in the Southeast Leaders delegation that met with President Buhari in 2021 and pleaded for the embattled IPOB leaders' unconditional release. In a statement released by its spokesman, Ima Powerful, IPOB appealed to President Buhari to honor the late elder statesman because of their effort at securing Kanu's release during their lifetime. The statement read, "We, the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, under the leadership of Kanu, commiserate with the families of the President General of Ohaneze Ndigbo Worldwide, Prof. George Obiozor and Dr. Joel Kroham, who died after brief illness. Late Mbazulike Amechi. Igbo family has lost two Iroquois who have kept shade over their people. IPOB has lost people who have been working and speaking during their lifetime, urging the federal government of Nigeria to release Kanu. The movement also worked closely with late Elder Amechi Mbazulike, who died on November 1st, 2022. Igbo has lost some great leaders within the last 2 months. These men demanded that Buhari and his APC government release Kanu. We continue to urge the Nigerian government to release Kanu because of these great men who are now in the bosom of the Lord. Indeed, we will be very grateful if the federal government of Nigeria releases Nnamdi Kanu for peace to reign in the land of the rising sun. We asked God Almighty who lives in heaven to give the families fortitude to bear these great losses to their families. It was earlier reported that Bläçkmaīléd, the International Council for the Embattled Leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu has written to President Muhammadu Buhari asking him to comply with the opinion of the United Nations Human Rights Council Working Group on Arbitrary Detention, which recommended immediate and unconditional release of Kanu. Fain, in his letter dated January 6, expressed shock that close to 6 months after the UN opinion was offered to the Nigerian government, Buhari was yet to act on it without recourse to the far-reaching implications of not complying with the opinion. He told Buhari to release Kanu without further delay or brace up for the impending UN sanctions as well as God's judgment. Compliance with decree of the United Nations Human Rights Council Working Group on arbitrary detention to release Nnamdi Kanu, immediately based on deprivation of liberty in violation of 16 international human rights covenants. Dear President Buhari, if you fear God, you should release Nnamdi Kanu from his protracted illegal detention forthwith. Now I've come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop out the